Area of a sector. In a previous clip, we looked at how to find the area of a circle. To recap, to find the area of a circle, you multiply pi by the radius squared. In this clip, however, we are going to be looking at the formula to calculate the area of a sector of a circle, which you'll have seen in a previous clip is part of a circle. Here it is shaded below. I often think of it as a slice of pizza. If we were asked to find the area of the sector if its size was half of a circle, so it would be half of the area, we would work out half of pi r squared, and another way of writing a half of is a half times, because in maths of means times. Now alternatively, you could write a half times pi r squared as pi r squared over 2, but we'll leave it like this. However, like in the previous clip on arc length, you won't always have sectors which have nice easy fractions of the circle to work with. Therefore, you need a formula. So the area of a sector is theta, where theta is the size of the angle between the two radii which have created the sector, divided by 360. And don't forget, this will give you the fraction of the whole area of the circle multiplied by the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So this is your formula for the area of a sector. So let's have a look at finding the area of this sector below. Let's write down our formula. So the area of a sector is theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r squared, which is the area of the circle. And all we need to do is substitute in our values. So we have theta, which is 120 degrees, divided by 360, multiplied by pi times by r squared, and of course the radius is 4. Now once you substitute in your values, just remember, according to BODMAS, we would do the powers first, so just sort this out first. So square the radius first of all, which is 16. Then if you type this all into your calculator, you'll get the area of a sector to be 16.7 centimeters squared to 3 significant figures. Now I recommended squaring the radius first. However, if you're very confident with how to use your calculator properly, including powers, then just type this all into your calculator in one go and you should get the right answer. Here's another example. So again, we need to find the area of the sector with angle 230 degrees. So the formula is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. Substitute in the values, we have 230, which is our angle theta, divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by r squared. Now our radius is 7. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you're confident about using your calculator, especially powers, then type this all into your calculator. However, if not, do the 7 squared first. So 7 squared is 49. Then type this into your calculator. And the answer you'll get is 98.3 centimeters squared to 3 significant figures. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video, then try these. How did you get on? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then try again.